good before it rains.
Yeah, we're
What?
Are you connected down there?
Yeah. They're like, wow, Papa, we didn't know you were going up. That still blows my mind. It just blows my mind. Perfectly fine.
Way off.
Artie.
Here,
What do you
good.
think? Okay, I'm gonna draw the line.
Draw the line.
Drawing the line.
Fucking draw the line. Because we gotta do this all over again anyways.
What do you need for?
While deciding where we're putting it. Put lines across these things.
Okay, so end of what, day 4?
62.
Day 62, yeah. And we have the windows in and 2 sides sided, the hardware cloth around the bottom, and all of the wall studs up. So it's looking good. We're moving right along with progress. Gandalf's gonna check it out. So we have this back wall over here done, and then the side wall all up alongside the aviary. The front and the east wall are still just studs, but it's looking really good. Pretty excited about it. And we've been telling Cinder Rooster that he's getting a palace. It's gonna be the Bantam Palace. What do you think, Arthur? What do you think? Do you approve? Huh? Does it look good? Yeah, I think he approves. Yep, so it's no longer just a dance floor. We've got a whole building here. And then their little run is going to be the same width as the building, but out this way all the way to that H frame, and as high as that run over there. So that'll be really cute. Really cute. Good work. Good work, Mr. Williamson.
Oh, hi. Yep. Oh, there's some more screws.
You do good work.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah, that's that package of big ones that we picked up the other day.
Wait, here we go. Speaking of work, right here. Gandalf.
Gandalf's afraid of whatever. Gandalf's kind of afraid of everything.
Hi, Gandalf. Hi, Gandalf. Hi. His eyes match my shirt.
Yes, they do. They're beautiful. His eyes are beautiful. Your shirt, on the other hand, needs to be washed.
Why? Looks good.
It's a completely different color because it's all sweaty.
Yep.
Mine is too, but ugh.
Yeah.
It was very drippy today.
Yes, it was.
Very drippy. All right, I'll wheel all these little thingies back to the shipping container.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna take the truck and the trailer?
I was gonna go do the trash.
Oh, you're gonna go do the trash. Okay. And then I will meet back up with you.
Trash.
Masters
Gotta
of
work
the
on that.
Universe.
Oh, no.
I like messing with him.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye. See ya.